struggling to remember multiple passwords or using same password for multiple accounts? This video guides you to create a free open source password manager, Bitwarden, to improve your online security. So let's learn how to create and use Bitwarden effectively. Before we dive in to Bitwarden, let's briefly discuss the importance of password managers. Password managers are the tools that help you to securely store and manage your passwords. They eliminate the need to remember multiple complex passwords and can generate strong passwords for you. With a password manager, you only need to remember one master password. Bitwarden is a popular password manager that offers a free and open source solution for individuals and teams. It provides a secure vault to store your passwords, credit card information, and other sensitive data. Bitwarden is available on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. Bitwarden uses end-to-end encryption for all vault data. That means your data is encrypted before leaving your device. Only your email and master passwords can decrypt your vault data. Bitwarden servers only store encrypted and hashed data. Therefore, Bitwarden does not have the ability to see any data in your vault. Bitwarden delivers 3 plans for personal use. The free version has all core security functions and it's always free. If you are interested in getting additional features like encrypted file attachments, emergency access, and Vault Health Report, I suggest choosing a premium version which has a reasonable price of $10 per year. Vault Health Report for individual consists of 6 reports. Exposed password reports identifies if any passwords in your vault has been compromised. Reuse passwords report identify non-unique passwords in your vault. Weak passwords reports identify weak password in your vault and reported based on the weakness. Unsecured website report identifies unsecured URL in login items in your vault. Inactive two-factor authentication report identifies login items when two-factor authentication is available from the services you don't use it. And the data breach reports identify compromised data such as email address, passwords, credit cards in known data breaches. Go to bitwarden.com. Under Products Personal, click on Get Started Today Personal and fill the form, email address, and master password. The master password must be minimum 12 characters and cannot be recovered if you forget. Click on Creating the account. Bitwarden creates a vault for you. Your vault will be open with your email address and the master password. Now log into your account. Under Account Setting, go to Security. In the Master Passwords tab, you can change your master password. In Two-Step Login tab, choose Authenticator app or FIDO2 Web Authenticator. In this video, I use Auth app in iOS device. You need to verify your email to unlock the features. Go to your vault and push Send Email. The verification will be sent to the email address that you use in creating Bitwarden Vault. Now you can add items in your vault such as login credential, card information, and secure note. You have access to your vault by logging to your account. You can also install the Bitwarden desktop app in your computer, web browser extension, or mobile application for your convenience. Your Vault information will be synced across devices. Now I show you how to install Bitwarden on desktop. In Download tab from Bitwarden website, choose a desktop app relevant to your device. In this video, I am using Mac, therefore I choose Mac OS. Download the file, double-click on it, and follow the instruction on screen to install the Bitwarden desktop app. If you are lazy like me, install web browser extension to easily log into your online account. You can select the one is relevant to you. Regardless of the browser of your choice, the process is the same. In this video, I select Google Chrome extension. If you log in to new site, the information could be added to your Bitwarden accounts and synced in all your devices. You can create password manually or let Bitwarden password generation feature generate a strong password for you. You generate a secure password and save it on your Bitwarden free password manager. I hope you now have a good understanding of how to install and use Bitwarden. Remember, using a password manager like Bitwarden is an excellent way to enhance your online security and simplify your digital life. Here are a few final tips before we go. Regularly update your master password and ensure it is strong and you remember it. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Back up your Bitwarden Vault regularly and be cautious of phishing attempts and always verify the URL before entering your master password. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on cybersecurity. Until next time, stay secure, stay protected.